Okay, I have another gem from Werner Miller, and it's a wonderful example of how a random process can give rise to a very orderly outcome sometimes. Okay, so as you can see, I have the king and queen of clubs, diamonds, spades, and hearts, and they're in pairs. Okay? Now we're going to randomize the cards in a way that I've never seen before. So first off, what we're going to do is use the Klondike Shuffle, but we're going to flip over every other pair. So let me show you. So first pair just goes to the table. Next pair gets flipped. Next pair goes to the table as is. Final pair gets flipped. Okay? So a very interesting way to mix the cards. And then we'll follow that up with a regular non-flipping Klondike Shuffle, just like this. Okay? And then I think we'll even work from the other side of the packet. Now you would have to admit that's some pretty random movement of the cards there. Well, it's going to get even crazier because what we're going to do is I'm going to just set down that first card, which is a queen, and we're going to be focusing on the suits of these cards. So Queen of Hearts, well that's heart. So what I'm going to do is just spell H-E-A-R-T-S. Okay, now we have a Queen of Spades. So I'll set her down. So spades, S-P-A-D-E-S. The suit of the next card, now it's a king, which is kind of refreshing. So king of clubs, C-L-U-B-S. And the final pair looks like it's a king of diamonds. Very nice. Isn't it interesting that despite that random mixing and the spelling of the particular suits that came to the top of the packet, we were able to find exactly one club, one heart, one spade, and one diamond among these kings and queens face up on the table. Isn't that interesting? What's that? You want to see the face down cards? I'm not sure why. Well, let's just show you. Oh, wow. Okay. Thanks for asking. That's pretty unlikely. I doubt it's going to happen again. Oh boy, check. No way. And by elimination, I think this. Yes. Look at that. And we actually matched up the king and queen of each of those four suits. That is amazing. Okay. So how does this work? Well, you do exactly what I showed you, and this will work every time. So this is a very clever routine. It's fast. It's fairly easy to learn. So just go through the steps that I showed you, practice it 2 or 3 times, and you'll have it down, and you can perform this right away. So I'll add a link in the description below to this particular performance where you can find it in one of Werner Miller's ebooks, as well as a link to his entire library of mathematical card effects. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.